i5 Pro is built for heavy-duty metal milling, but power without simplicity just creates a different kind of problem. So we made sure running this machine feels as straightforward as the results it delivers. i5 Pro runs on UPCNC3, our proprietary control system, purpose-built for dental metal milling. The 15-inch touchscreen guides your technician through every step: setup, calibration, tool management, job recovery. UPCAM is purpose-built for i5 Pro. Every milling strategy is calibrated directly to this machine's motion system and spindle behavior. Where UPCAM really stands out is the implant module. It comes with a built-in interface database covering major implant systems worldwide, with more being added continuously. It auto-recognizes implant interfaces, lets you replace them with one click, and handles alignment automatically. A new technician can learn the entire implant workflow in 1 to 2 hours. Over 90% of the process is fully automated. Metal jobs often run unattended. i5 Pro gives you a built-in HD camera, smart coolant monitoring with real-time flow detection, not just pressure sensors, and MillMind, our app that lets you check production from anywhere and catch problems before they escalate. Iron Core i5 Pro. Confidence in every case.